Okay. Okay. Let me open the PDF for you. Just a second. So when you're talking about an AI-powered task management system, you have to develop a project that enhances the productivity by integrating machine learning and predictive analytics to optimizing the task allocation, scheduling, and team collaboration. Right? Let me open the PDF for you. Can you see my screen, all of you?
Yes, sir. It's good.
Yes,
Sir,
this file has been shared with all of you. These things have been shared with all of you or not? These details. I'm
Yes, sir. You
asking you
sent us
one
a drive.
question. You all getting it?
Getting it, sir.
When you're talking about the AI powered task optimizer is designed to enhance the productivity and efficiency by leveraging the machine learning and NLP. The system will feature sentiment analysis for task prioritization and AI-driven task optimization, automated scheduling, and predictive maintenance. You have to develop an AI-powered task management system that can enhance the productivity by integrating the machine learning and predictive analytics (NLP) as well to optimizing the task allocation, scheduling, and team collaboration. And this project combines the automation, AI-driven insights, interactive dashboards to improve the task efficiency. The features like the user management means user authentication, authorization should be there. Role-based access control like admin manager, employee profile management all should be there. Then task management, you can create, update or delete and assign new tasks. Then you can categorize the task like urgent, high, medium, low priority. Then you can task status, you can track the status, task status that to do in progress or completed or on hold. Then the deadlines and reminder notifications should be there. Then AI driven features like your sentiment analysis means Sentiment analysis, you can analyze the team emotions and productivity. Then you can optimize the tasks, that prioritize and allocate the task efficiently. Then you can, or when it comes to automated scheduling, means AI driven task scheduling, means that time allocation for task execution. Then predictive analytics means you can forecast the deadline and workload. uh, then when it comes to the collaboration and teamwork, you can communication, you can share the tasks. Then dashboard and reporting, that means here collaboration and communication means real time chat for team collaboration, task, comments and feedback system, file sharing and attachment support, all those should be there. And in dashboard reporting, you can visualize the performance in Power BI, and you can visualize the performance using Python. Okay, I'll go for the project. Just listen to me carefully now. I'll go for the project. So these stops are there. You can design your project like this. If you are not able to use this, then by your own you can use, but the features should be there. All the features should be implemented. Else, at least three features should be implemented, like your task management and AI driven features like your sentiment analysis and task optimization. This up to this collaboration communication, these three features should be implemented. Okay, dashboard and reporting, if you cannot do that, you can skip. Collaboration communication you can skip, but these three features, user manual, task management, AI driven features, this to be implemented. How to do that? First, when it comes to data collection and pre-processing, the project management data like your task description, deadline and priorities you need to collect. Then employee performance data, historical task logs, sentiment analysis data like sentiment from the face or from the voice. Then you need to pre-process the data, like handling the missing values, feature engineering, text processing, for sentiment analysis, text processing like your tokenization, stop words, removal, lemmatization, all those stuff to be performed. Right? All of you getting it? Getting it, all of you? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Can
Getting it.
everyone hear me? Yeah. Then pre-processing steps like how to handle the missing values, feature engineering, text processing, normalization, encoding, all those stuff to be done. After that, you can use your AI-driven feature implementation, like your sentiment analysis for team productivity. Means you can extract the team emotion from emails and messages. Then you can use NLP, natural language processing with VADR or BOT, and you can predict the stress level and engagement. From text blob, you can import the text blob. Then for sentiment analysis, you can use def sentiment analysis text, then you can return the text blob and sentiment polarity. Okay. Then the next stop will be task optimization. Means you can train an ML model to prioritize the task based on deadline, complexity, and the workload. Then you can use random forest or gradient boosting to do task optimization. Like from Scalon ensemble, you can use import the random forest, and from Scalon.model selection, you can use trend test split. Then you can go for random forest classifier. Then when it comes to the next stop, that is automated task scheduling using artificial intelligence, you can use reinforcement learning to optimize the scheduling, where you can consider the factors like the employee workload, skills, and deadline. Then, when it comes to predictive analytics for deadline forecasting, how will do that? You can predict the task completion time based on the historical data. Then you can use linear regression or time series analysis to do that. For that, you can import the linear regression and do the stops. And those stops like your interactive dashboards with Power BI, means what Power BI and your Python, like Dashboard features like you can add what is that? Task progress tracking means Gantt chart for deadlines. Then for employee productivity analysis, you can use workflow distribution. For sentiment trends, you can use AI powered team mood analysis. Then for predictive insights, you can use task delays and completion time forecasting. And for Power BI implementation, you can connect the Power BI to CSV or database. You all know this, I think. If you don't know, go for YouTube or anywhere, you can understand. Then you can transform the data using the Power Query, then create the calculated fields for task prioritization. Then you can visualize the predictions and insights using charts, graphs, and the tables. Then, when it comes to your next thing, that is your collaboration and communication. What is that? Collaboration and communication. Anyone over here? How to use that? Means you can use the chatbot integration, means AI powered assistance for task update. Then you can share the task board, means manage the group to manage the group project. Okay. Okay. Then you can use the what automated reminders, means notify about the approaching deadlines. You can use the means when it comes to deployment and scalability, all those stuff that we have mentioned, if you are not comfortable with it, you can deploy and scalable the project using web app integration, means deploy you can deploy it using your Flask or Django. Then you can use the cloud deployment to host on Azure or AWS. Then API integration means to connect to the tools like Slack, Trello, or Jira. Means to measure the after that to measure the how to deploy the Flask app, you all know, like Flask run host. Then you can give the port, right? Right or not? You all know this or this is new to you? Flask, Django, Fast API, have you used this ever before? Am I audible? Am I audible to all of you?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Sir,
Have you ever used Flask, Fast API, Django ever?
oh, sir,
No, sir, no.
Then how will do the project?
sir, we can use Streamlit library.
You can use. Okay, you can. It's free for all of you. Okay, you can use anything. Then when it comes to model performance and evaluation metrics, you can use the metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, and for regression based tasks like your mean absolute error. Accuracy means it measures the correct task classification. Regression means it identifies the relevant task correctly. Then recall means it ensures the high priority tasks are not missed. Then when it comes to mean absolute error, it measures the scheduling prediction errors, right? Means if you'll talk about the project, then by this you can enhance the NLP for better sentiment analysis like bot or GPT models. Then you can go for AI powered task delegation that comes under your reinforcement learning. Then you can go for voice assistance for task update like your speech recognition. Then blockchain integration to secure the task tracking. You can use the self-learning AI to improve the task optimization is there. Means your AI-powered task optimization system leverages the data science and machine learning to optimize the task allocation, improve scheduling, and enhance the collaboration and provide predictive insight. Means with Power BI dashboards, user can visualize the productivity trends and forecast the future task. Right? Yes or no? Means all you need to do is do the project and implement the first three features: user management, task management, AI driven features. That much you can implement. Okay, means how overally how you will be allocated to the task, what is the deadline, what is the notification to be given, and what is the optimization algorithm for task optimization you are using, like your means if one task is given to you, I'll optimize it. Then your when it comes to the sentiment analysis, means from the sentiment analysis, it will give you the task to do that, and to refresh from the mood, can suggest you some tasks to do to improve your mood. Means mood tracking also you can do. This much you can do, right? That means you can collect your data, pre-process, then feature implementation like extract the team emotions from mails and messages. Then you can use your NLP. Then task optimization using machine learning, like how will you optimize the task by machine learning. You can use the gradient boosting for classification here, random forest or gradient boosting. Then automated task scheduling, you can use the reinforcement learning to optimize the scheduling. Then you can consider the factors like your employee workload, skills, and deadlines for that. Then the predictive analytics for deadline forecasting, like you can predict the task completion time based on historical data. Then you can use linear regression or time series analysis. Then for interactive dashboards with Power BI, you can go for task progress tracking, employee productivity analysis, sentiment analysis, predictive insights. This much you can do. This sounds difficult, but it is actually not. If you will be very concentrated to this, then you can do the project. And it's intensive based project. Don't think this will be your university or college level project. At one semester they have given you one project to do, and you have completed within 2 to 3 days, then submitted. It's not going to happen. Intensive means the industry level project should be done here, right? Right, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So you also do the project means task optimization. Okay, to optimize the task allocation, you can improve the scheduling, enhance the collaboration, and it can provide the predictive insight. Okay, means it may comes to optional when it comes to the collaborations and communication and dashboard and reporting. If you can do this, you can go for it, because I think we have 15 more days. Implement these three, and these two can be skipped. I'm giving you an option, but if you are proficient enough to do this, then it will be absolutely amazing if you'll do it. Right, all of you?
Yes, sir.
So I think all of you understood how to proceed with the project. So from now onwards, in your group, start working on the project, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So who is this? Everyone, are you there? Amit, Monish.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay, okay, that's okay. It's Afrin, are you there? Abhishek Gaud.
Yes, sir.
Yes. All Akshay, Ala Soumya, Amit, Ashish.
Yes,
All
sir.
of you respond to me. Devesh, Dikshit,
Yes, sir.
Hariram,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hamsel, Jagdish, Kuduluri, Kaluri, Khush,
Yes,
Liki,
sir.
Krishnapriya,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Monish, Namitha,
Yes, sir.
Nikita,
Yes, sir.
Amod,
Yes, sir.
Priya,
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Rajni,
sir.
Yes, sir.
then uh, Rutvika, Sai Deepak,
Yes,
Siprasad,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Swati, Venkat Vignesh, Ragula. I'll not see the chat box. Okay, those are present. Those are Unmuted. Okay, all of you getting it how to proceed with the project and start working on the project in a group from today onwards. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
thank you everyone. Let's wind up the class for today. Good night.